Okay, we're going to go ahead and take a look at USD yen. Yesterday, we had Trump get impeached. This was something that was definitely concerning to a lot of people. For me, it was concerning because I was wondering how much could I make from this data? How much money could I make knowing what I know about that information in the currency markets? And you can actually take a look at my chart here. We have the US dollar and the Japanese yen. And the yen is a safe haven currency. So when there's risk and uncertainty, money flows to the yen. And you can actually see the dollar index right here on the daily, on the 1 hour time frame, as well as, let me go to the daily. And so we have the dollar index right here. You can actually see we broke through this trend line here and retested it. So you could see this. There's a shift in structure here on the Dixie. We have two highs that were printed. We broke through that, came back up, and retested this zone right here. So that's good. That looks good to the downside. So you combine that with USD yen, which if we go ahead and take USD yen, let me go ahead and go back up top here, USD yen weekly time frame. We could see right here that we are retesting this zone on the weekly. Okay, go down to the daily. We can see that we actually have been slowing down, and we've been printing higher highs. But right here, we actually have a point of resistance that we ran into, and combine that with what we know on the weekly, and we can see how that kind of transpired. Same thing on the 4 hour. We can see we found some resistance here. On the hour, we did go ahead and break through this trend line right here. Your guy, nikklegend, I was in up here though, you know, and this was me taking on that data that I knew about Trump and looking at my potential risk, 10 pips to the high, and looking at my potential reward, which I was looking at this zone right here. And at 8:30 a.m., I was completely out the trade. And to tell you the truth, I'm looking for a re-entry. So that's where we're at. Hope you found this useful. And if you're not making your money work for you, you are missing out on opportunities every single week. So get your money right.